So now let's see how we can work around with event countdown block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and do that, I need to go around in between two blocks right here, let's say for example, and then go ahead and click on the plus button. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go ahead and search for event right here, and then you'll be able to see event countdown as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and choose a title of the countdown. Let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and let's say for example, grand finale right here, just like this. Then I can go ahead and choose a date until I want the countdown right here, just like this. And you can see that you see 13 days, 21 hours, 44 minutes and 58 seconds right here as the countdown right here. You can go ahead and change it out to wide width, or you can go ahead and make it full width as well as you want. So you can also go around over here onto the block, but you don't have many options as you can see, and you can't change much for it, but this is what you have. So let's just go around over here and let's say for example save this, and then go ahead and then view the post right here. And once you go ahead and do that and scroll down, you can see the event countdown right here. 13 days, 21 hours, 44 minutes, and you can see the seconds clocking down right there just like this until the big event. And that is how you can add in the event countdown block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.